Hey everyone, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for my creative scrapbook. Today I am using the November main kit, which features the Vicki Boutin Evergreen and Holly collection. This is such a fun kit and it comes packed full of Vicki Boutin goodies. Stencils and 2 packs of die cut ephemera and the chipboard to the Evergreen and Holly collection. Today I'm scrapping some photos of my 3 kids and we are doing a winter sledding layout. I'm using the My Creative Scrapbook November sketch created by Laura Whitaker. With this sketch design already done for us, we are ready to rock and roll on this layout and crank it out really fast. So a few things. I punched out a snowflake border with a Martha Stewart border punch. That is the green underneath my photo. And I also, on my Silhouette Cameo, cut out a snowflake. And I cut it out of vellum and then white cardstock and mounted the white cardstock on top of the vellum. The snowflake is for the stitched circle in this sketch. I mounted my photos on some Nina white cardstock. This allows me to move them around on my layout as a group. And then I put some recycled chipboard behind that so that I could pop it up from the background. This helps me save on my foam tape. So now that we have our pattern papers down and our snowflake, I wanted to do some machine stitching around that plaid pattern paper. I like the texture the machine stitching adds to my layout. Now we are ready to start looking at embellishments. There are some ticket die cut ephemera that I thought would be really cute underneath my photos. It's a series of 3 tickets. And I also found a snowman and a "Oh what fun" that I thought I could use for my title for this layout. Of course, a snowman and mittens. So we're all looking for things in the die cut ephemera or the chipboard where it dealt with being outside in the snow. So we have a snowflake background paper and we have our big die cut snowflake and a snowflake border and the snowman, and even the tag I am putting in the upper left behind my photo has snowflakes on it. Definitely a wintry layout. I got out my jute twine to put in my tag opening and found a die cut ephemera phrase that said "Smile for the camera," which I thought was very fitting for these photos. So I'm going to pop that up with some foam tape as well and put it underneath my photos. To finish off my layout, I am going to add some of the chipboard snowflakes from the chipboard sticker sheet and then go and add some glitter snowflake pops of color in places near my clusters. My Creative Scrapbook has 4 kits that they put together each month. Again, I am using the main kit. They also have a limited edition kit, which this month also featured a Christmas collection. And they had a fall creative kit this month and an album kit. So they really have something for every type of scrapbooker that you are. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.